Hi guys, welcome to another Color Snack Sunday. Today we'll be sketching another pumpkin and I'm actually going to be using these Brusho powders. So I'm going to start with, I'm using just a little bit of paint on my brush so that you can kind of see, so you can kind of see the lines that I'm drawing, but basically I'm doing C-shaped curves, keeping them pretty wide. Adding these, let's see, then adding a little stem here. Alright, so next, I'm using this yellow. I'm going to start with some yellow. I'm going to add some orange. And maybe a little bit of brilliant red. So then I'm grabbing my brush and I'm going to go over these lines just to make them more pronounced. You'll notice that I left some white spaces and these kind of act as highlights. These are the spots that weren't filled with water, so therefore they are left blank. So I'm even picking up some of this color from here and adding just like darker lines along the edge of each of these C curves just to make it more interesting and make them pop. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of my watercolor to the stem. Add some yellow here. And there you have it, a really fun, quick, and easy Brusho pumpkin.